Step 5, the purpose of this, or what we're doing, is experimentation with hot glue. The purpose is to learn how to use the hot glue gun safely and effectively. Turn to page 2, step 5. It says, make a hot glue gun line that matches the thickness of the lines below. Complete one and show the teacher for signature. Only complete the second test if the first test is not approved. For the hot glue gun safety, depending on the school, your hot glue gun will work differently, but the safety is the same. Step 1, you always have to turn the hot glue gun on, and it can take upwards of 5 minutes for it to load. In order for the glue gun to go, you have to have glue sticking out. To load a new stick, you just push it in, and at any time you start to see a little smoke around the hot glue gun, it just means it's hot enough, and you can turn it off for a little bit and then turn it back on once it stops working. You know the glue gun is working because with not very much pressure at all, you should be able to pull the trigger and have glue come out. If you are really having to work at the trigger, then that means it is too not hot enough and you need to wait. The cord, you should never ever have anything sharp near the hot glue guns because cutting this cord is dangerous. Also, getting hot glue on this cord is dangerous, so do not let the cords get tangled. When you are ready to work with the hot glue, make sure your partner is aware of what you are doing. You come over to the glue gun, hand stays out of the way in front. You are going to pull the trigger, and then the trick is it's almost a jerky motion. Once you have enough glue in the area, you pull, squeeze, pull, squeeze. You need enough hot glue so that I could put something in here, and once the glue dried, it would stick. Then to stop the glue, you don't want to pull away right now. You want to push the glue gun down into the surface and then in a backward motion, pull so that you don't have the little string. You put the glue gun back securely where it goes, and then the question always is my glue hot? Don't put your finger in it to figure out whether it's hot. Use something that won't burn itself, like a pencil. So the visual is, if it is clear, it is hot. But if you just absolutely have to touch it to make sure, put your pencil point in it, and if the pencil point can pull glue away, then that means it's hot. FYI, if you have a mechanical pencil, you do have to pull off that glue before you try to push it up and down or you'll break it. Then if you are at Southview, the last little tidbit is we never ever glue unless we have chipboard on our table. Not a blue mat, it has to be chipboard.